Well, hello, and greetings to my dear friends. Let's have a backtest together on Wednesday of the Nonstop Robot on version 1. My dears, I activated the robot for you. This time I came and credited a $1,000 account for you, with the highest leverage I can include in your transactions. Only this time we took the risk of the robot to the end, meaning those who are now with robots are making trades, and my students know that when we increase the risk, and now a trade that only seems to be losing momentum, it enters the trade and starts trading, and the number of trades it makes per day may be over 100. Let's see how the robot performs with this high risk and the slippage feature. We're not manipulating the robot. We're letting it execute trades with the same fixed spread. We'll observe the profit, the loss, and the account balance. Let's start the trades. Let's see, it even opened the first trade. It went long. It's 1 o'clock, and it executed this trade. It went into profit. And then a small loss. Let's go ahead and make some trades. Let's see, even the first one opened for us. It was a bet. It went into profit. With this spread that was at 1 in the morning, it's 1 in 10 minutes in the morning. This is what we did. It went into profit first and then into gold. Now, very small gold. Very big profits. First, I'll slow down this interface. You can see here that the margin that is now $32 has gone into profit up to $40. Now just pay attention a bit. Because the speed is high, when you don't close the trade while in profit, since the risk of the trade is high, it won't take big steps for you. It moves in smaller increments, like the few candles that are forming together, as you can see here. When a breakout happens, it executes the trades for you. Exactly look at this level where it placed the buy trade for you. Candles have formed with the breakout. Assess the setup, Imam. The trade considers the spread and starts, manage and close to take profit. If not, the robot closes at a loss, about $10 due to commission and spread. Place another trade, it goes short. Observe the robot, see how it makes the trade risk-free and where it closes. Here, you would have taken a loss from the market if you hadn't closed your trades. The robot itself would have closed in a loss, which is why it incurred about $10 in losses due to the commission and spread it has. So be mindful of the situation. Now let's see if we place another trade. It has gone short. Let's see what the robot does with this trade. Let's observe how it brings this trade into risk-free territory. Let's see where the robot closes this trade. Now the discussion is open for you. Byton once came in with that spread he had made. Let's see the remaining profit. This spread is so high that, dear friends, this is the beginning of the market, and the market is ranging without a specific trend. That's why in version 2, we need to look for good trades. But that's okay. Let's see what happens in the end if the account isn't managed properly. For now, this is the story of the robot's trades. At the beginning of the morning, the Asian market opens, and there isn't a specific trend or significant movements, dear friends. The trade didn't close right away. I'll go back and see where it's trading, see if this market cycle has taken advantage of all the profits you've made. With the same trend that happened here, you could have closed the trade and taken your profit. The trade closed again, and it went yellow for you. You can also look at this account balance here. It has returned to its original balance. It has gone into a profit of $100. That is just now considering the trades that were made here. A few trades went into profit. That is, this head went into profit, this side went into profit, this head went into profit, which you saw here. Now it has gone into profit for you. It is $227 into profit. With a half lot size, all these trades are being executed at half a lot. This means that in each trade, if it were one lot, the commission would be around $23. When it opens a trade for you, it deducts about $12 to $13 in commission. This situation you're seeing here includes the commission. In these trades, how many trades did we actually lose? Let's look at that number in the tradings story. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. That initially went into profit, ended up losing. Well, we can say that you didn't manage the trades at all, and we didn't take those profits. Four major trades ended up losing, but here it's given you a profit of about $207 in this trade, which we don't even write down because it's close to 45 candles. The servant had moved upwards in a demonstrative manner. Here, your margin is now close to $1,075, which means that considering the loss that has been made, we are in profit by $75. Let's go to normal until we see what happens next. We should go to normal and hit the 1,000 mark and go into profit. With the loss, you could have closed it with profit. These candles and the movements you see behind the chart, each candle is a 1-minute time frame. This means you had 2 minutes to capture this profit. That's why I say if you act as a user behind this system, you can make good profits. What should we do? We have a sell order. What does it do? $27, $30, $32, $60, $90. You could have made good profits. So this trade essentially is closing itself at 154, and this trade has gone into profit. So what should this do? It should do the same. We have a sell. What does it do with a sell? Let's see, $27, $30, $30, $60, $90. Here too, you could make a hidden profit from it, meaning it will close this transaction somehow until $154 of this transaction comes in as profit. With a $1,000 account, you can get close to 10% profit in a trade. With this high risk, meaning there is only one failure. These filters that I put on it, I mean, you noticed how much this is. It is strong. It is the highest and riskiest stage that we want to activate. Your market has good trends. You will see that it finds liquidity. The market trades with failure. Now, if it is a reversal, there are some people here who say that it happened. I will not trade because of the reversal. But the robot here is for you in this situation because it has happened. Well, we have TB here, and the suffering is happening again. Be very careful. Those who are watching the trainings here, do they see the robot as a manager, or do they come unilaterally? My dear, with the trainings they are watching here, they can also earn $100 with the robot's foot here. My dear, you have made a profit. These 3 buildings are the same $100 that are making you a profit. Yeah, $150. I have mentioned the services. This third $100 that Rawat Tara gives you profit, which is now close to $160, $170 in one transaction. Just look at the profit, close to another $100. This is the 4th time. It is giving us a profit of $120. With a $1,000 account, you could easily make 10% on each of these trades, $200, $250, $300, 30%. 30%, you'd get a profit of nearly $400. $500, 50% in a trade with this high risk. You activated the robot. On the highest risk it can take, this is all it can do for you. Your account has $13.58, which means 35% profit. It has hit a sell, but let's see what this sell does. You are still in the profit zone here. Reinvest and close your trade if you were too sensitive. But the robot itself brought in $100 profit again, meaning it is giving you over $150 profit for the 5th time. For the 5th time, it is $168. For the 5th time, which is giving you over $150 profit. 5 times with a $1,000 account. If we consider the time, it's 5 a.m. and the market is just opening. Let's head towards the London market and see what it does there. Now for the 6th time, look at your account, dear friend. It's at $82. This sell order has closed with profit. And this buy order is also closing with profit, currently around 84 and in profit. Usually when it closes in profit, let's see, it's currently $25 in profit. $40. These trades are with a small lot size, but there was a profit of about $40. I placed a buy order close to that $40 profit in. You see, when I say you should see for yourself the application behind the system, your account has gone up to about $57 in profit. You can easily manage this and close your trades. He gave a lot of hidden profits with the risk I took, but we know that in the market and other things we are working on, we have to be very disciplined in managing capital. I'll give you a point here. The manager, I think, was the one for the week. You could have made a profit of $100 on your account again. When you are trading on live accounts or, for example, prop accounts, you should reduce your volume, lower your leverage, and take fewer trades. And keep the trading trend in one direction. There are only so many people, the buyers, are taking it, and all these cases that the broker took were all good examples. If now, they also made three and the markets didn't notice, they were also able to get into hidden deals like this deal. Like, now that it's a loss, this deal is being seen here. Nearly 40 brokers are inside the deal. Observe how the market action led to the price closing precisely at the entry point. This is a pivotal moment for traders. If you hadn't seized the chance to close your position on the sell side at this point, you would have missed the potential profit. The market's movement resulted in it closing at this specific point, a common scenario in trading. Understanding these movements and making timely decisions is crucial for maximizing gains. By not closing the sell position, you would have seen the profit materialize, highlighting the importance of strategic decision making in trading. 60, 50, 70, 80, $50. 70, 80, 50, $50. 70, 80, sixth. Let me elaborate on your question a bit more since your video has gotten quite long. I want to see the timing for the London market as well. This is the 9th time it's coming up with over $100 in profit. We have a buy order and it also went into profit, reaching close to $60. It even hit $70 for you. The sell position was closed with a small lot size and a buy order was placed, so you're still in profit here. You can see this account. Right now, since the beginning of the day, it's increased your balance by nearly 50%, which means you could take out $1,532. By the end of the night, what should we do? A buy order was placed and the sell order was closed. You can actually close it, it's quite good. The buy order is now close to $30 in profit, reaching $135, then $160. He turned around and was back in profit. You see, $39 in a row tells you to close the trades. $40 is the same as the one you closed. See, here I'm saying that the trade came in at around $40. You had about 12 to 15 minutes to manage the trade and close it. But the robot itself, because it took a single pip, came up and had a sharp move. We wrote the filter. If you see it, now according to Similio, your side moved further than this peak, closed the trade price. It closed with a small lot size, so you had 15 minutes to close it at a $40 profit. We have a sell trade here with $170 in profit. If that trade had closed with a small lot size, we would have compensated here and still made a profit, because it dropped sharply, my friends. We actually have a buy order that went into $40 in profit. Then it went up to $80 in profit after we had taken a profit of $30. It's placing a buy order for you again. And it's giving you profit for the 10th time, more than $10 in profit. So this capital you had has given you about 20% profit in one day. This trade is now close to $400 in profit, and your account has gone from $100 to $2,064, my dear. $2,064, my dear. We have a sell that has $20 in profit, which is normal. With a small multiplication, we close the correct position. That was also in profit. We have 36 in profit. Let's see what happens. We have a buy trade, 160 in profit again. The previous trade was also in profit, but it closed at a loss. Here we have a sell. What? See, the sell also came close to $50 in profit, which closed at a loss of $50, but you could have taken $50. The next trade is the same. The sell trade we have now is $70 in profit. So from here, I'll speed it up a bit. The London market has opened at $160, but these are the trends. Thank you. The trade you made was really good. No one here will take trades for you, but the robot made you a profit of nearly $70 right here. Okay. If you want to have all these transactions and watch them at a slow speed, let's lower the speed of your video a little so that you can see them in full, my dear. All the candles are for a 1-minute time frame. Here, the date is also given to you. The commission is not commission, but the commission is fixed. You should watch this. Since the $200 went back into profit, you will get more than 15 times. It can give you profits higher than $150 to $200. Let's see, just like the sell trade he took for you, the buy trade also went into profit of $300. This sell trade was close to $320 in profit. Here the buy trade closed at a loss. We couldn't do anything about it. The sell trade A gave you time to close the trade. If we had made a loss on the previous trade, we could have recovered it here with a sell trade that was in profit of $50 to $80. Here, the market trends were moving towards a bullish direction. The market had some fluctuations, but it was leaning towards an upward trend. In this bullish trend, he also provided you with sell opportunities that captured good moments, as well as buy opportunities. You are hitting a sell-off. Look at the profit. It's $100, $200, $30, and then the sell-off was also in profit, my dears. This sell-off was also in profit. This sell-off that hit was in profit later on. The sell-off that I hit was also in profit, and I also took it higher. So your video didn't turn out. You took 7 or 10 minutes, and it turned out very quickly because I put too much risk on it. And the number of your customers is too high. That's why if you activate the robot with high risk, see what happens to your account. All trades are profitable. This trade is close to $300 in profit, or this sell is giving you around $400 to $500 in profit right now. This buy and this sell, all these trades are bringing in profits. With a $1,000 balance, we're making trades bringing over $3,000 to $4,000. Your account grows as the robot manages trades into profit. Look at this trade. It's also in profit. Let's go see the trades. Since it's $1, the dollar is mine inside because everyone is happy. It seems like we are taking a break for you. We have to keep your account open for transactions with a balance of $1,000 or more, $3,000 or $4,000. And since the robot itself manages the accounts and the transactions, it does not make a profit. That is why the balance looks like this. This is also a profitable transaction. At the end of the night, let's go to Syria to see the transactions. This number of transactions that I told you should be high because we took the risk. We have a high number of transactions. You can watch these. All these transactions went into the Anthem. There were a series of minor transactions inside the Anthem. Look, dear ones, there's trades that you just made. All these trades in one day, and all of them are commissions, right? But the spirit was 2 pips to 2 pips. And I told you that spirit figure with half of it, it would be close to $13. That is, if you want to count the number of these trades, then the commission alone would be higher than, say, $300 or $400. In this, how many trades it executed for you? In the end, it was 190, which is quite funny because it had already given you close to $600-700 by the middle of the market. If you, as a user, activated the system yourself, also, you could have traded much more than this. I had a number of trades that went over $100 for you. I told you that with 15, 16, or over $200, you could close trades above $200, $300, or even $400. You could have been successful with these trades. May God be with you. I told you that with 15, 16 dollars or over $200, $300, or even $400, you could close your trades, be successful, and may God be with you.